Dear students, good morning to you. Firstly, welcome to DSP channel for online classes. I am going to teach class 10, subject physics. The chapter's name is Light. Part 5 is going on. In the previous class, I have taught you about the image formation by concave mirror, and all these image formed by concave mirror, okay, has been drawn by showing ray diagram. Similarly, in this part I am going to trace the ray diagram to form the image by convex mirror. So firstly, before tracing the ray diagram, firstly you should know the rules. What are the rules to form the image formed by convex mirror as like concave? Okay, so there are 4 rules. Okay, these 4 rules have been also taught in case of concave mirror. Okay, now in this case the rules formed by the image by convex mirror is like the same as concave, but here the focus is imaginary. Understanding? Here the focus of a convex mirror is imaginary and the focus of concave mirror is real. Okay, so firstly you know the first rule. First rule क्या है? When the ray of light falling parallel to the principal axis, देखिए this one, ray of light falling parallel to the principal axis. This is principal axis, and the ray of light falling parallel to the principal axis, okay, of a convex mirror, then it appear to coming from its focus. ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो reflected ray है after reflection, okay, it appears to coming from its focus. ये rays देखिए after reflection, it appears that it is coming from its focus. ऐसा लगता है कि इसके फोकस से आता है. Understanding? तो ray of light falling parallel to the principal axis of a convex mirror, it appears to coming from its focus. ऐसा प्रतीत होता है. Understanding? Right? तो it appears coming from its focus after reflection. This is shown in the figure first. ये figure फर्स्ट में दिखाया गया है. दिस इज द रे डायग्राम. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? फर्स्ट रूल. नाउ सेकंड रूल. सेकंड रूल क्या है? ए रे ऑफ लाइट गोइंग टुवर्ड्स सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. ओके, तो ए रे ऑफ लाइट गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. ओके, गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ ए कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, देन it is reflected back along the same path. Okay, यह ऐसा लगता है कि यह सेम पाथ पे रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक हो रहा है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Such type of rule is also traced in the concave mirror. Concave mirror में ऐसा ही था. Understanding? A ray of light going towards center of curvature of a convex mirror, okay, is reflected back along the same path. यहाँ देखिए, this is incident ray. Okay, तो after reflection it reflected back, उसी path पे reflect back हो जाता है. Understanding? In this way, second rule. And third rule. Now see the third rule. Okay, third rule क्या है? कि ray of light going towards the focus. Okay, this is the third rule. This is the focus of the mirror. So a ray of light going towards the focus. Understanding? A ray of light going towards the focus of a convex mirror. Okay, this rays of light going towards the focus. ये focus की ओर जा रहा है. तो it appears that after reflection it becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Right? The ray of light going towards the focus of a convex mirror, okay, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. See this figure, it is okay, shown in the figure number 3. Okay, this is the third rule. Now rule 4, understand rule 4 क्या है, देखिए a ray of light which is incident at the pole, okay, this one, a ray of light which is incident at the pole, okay, of a convex mirror then is reflected back making the same angle with the principal axis pole, okay, making the same angle with the principal axis. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के साथ यहाँ सेम एंगल से मुड़ जाता है. दिस इज द इंसिडेंट रे, ओके, पासिंग थ्रू द पोल, तो इट रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन मेकिंग द सेम एंगल, दिस एंगल I, this angle R, okay. This is the fourth rule. In this way there are 4 rules to form the image formed by convex mirror, okay. It helps you to draw the ray diagram by image formed by convex mirror, understanding. In this way there are 4 rules. After that we show the ray diagram to form the image, okay, by convex mirror, understanding. Okay, dear students, now I am going to teach the image formed by convex mirror. Okay, in the previous class I have taught you about the image formed by concave mirror. In this case, the image formed by convex mirror at different position, where is the object and what type of image is formed by convex mirror, understanding. So in case of concave mirror there were 6 cases, but in convex mirror only 2 cases, understanding. We have to read only 2 cases. So first case क्या है, when the object is at infinity, okay. तो रे डायग्राम के द्वारा हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि where is the object and where is the image form, understanding. तो in first case when the object is at infinity, okay, object कहाँ है, infinity पे, infinity means अनंत, बहुत दूर, okay. So image is object is at infinity, then what type of image is formed, okay. So when the object is at infinity then the image will be, कैसा image बनेगा, virtual and erect, okay, virtual and erect, highly diminished, and where is the image formed, behind the mirror at focus. देखिए this is the ray coming from infinity, okay. 2 rays, consider 2 rays, okay. In tracing ray diagram we consider 2 rays, okay. So here AP and AQ, these are parallel rays, okay, coming from infinity. So it falls on the reflecting surface and reflected back in this direction, and this reflected back, okay, forming the same angle I is equal to R. And if it will drawn back, जब पीछे की ओर हम लोग यहाँ पढ़ाते हैं तो it intersect at this point. So this is the image position of the image, okay. The image is formed, okay, A dash B dash, A dash B dash is the image form at focus, understanding. Where is the image form, when the object is at infinity, okay. When the object is at infinity the image will be formed, okay, virtual and erect, highly diminished image, and behind the mirror. कहाँ बनेगा, behind the mirror image बनेगा, okay, mirror के पीछे. और what is the position of the image, तो it is formed at focus, यहाँ पे बनेगा. देखिए this is the image formed by convex mirror when the object is at infinity, okay. Now second case क्या है, when the object is at anywhere, object चाहे जहां भी हो, anywhere, okay, between pole and infinity, okay. When the object is between anywhere, okay, pole and infinity, pole और infinity के बीच हो, when the object is at anywhere, anywhere means कहीं भी, कहाँ, at anywhere between pole and infinity, यानी pole और infinity इंफिनिटी के बीच कहीं पर ऑब्जेक्ट हो, अंडरस्टैंडिंग? देन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इमेज इज फॉर्म हियर when the object is at infinity, okay, between p and infinity के बीच में, anywhere p यहाँ पोल है and infinity, तो object is at this position here, ab is the object, okay. Then we consider two rays, it falls parallel to the principal axis, it reflected back in this direction, okay, xy direction, and other rays, okay, it will passing through the center of curvature and reflected back on the same path, okay. Then this is the point of intersection where the image is formed, okay. So this is the image formed by convex mirror when the object is at anywhere between pole and infinity, okay. तो कैसा इमेज बना? The image will be virtual and erect, okay. कैसा बना? Virtual and erect image. और diminished means smaller than the object. This is the object AB, okay, and this is the image A dash, B dash is the image, okay. So diminished image बना, smaller than the object, and कहाँ पे बना? तो between pole and focus. This is the pole and this is the focus. तो यहाँ पे image बना. This is the position of the image between pole and the focus. So this is the image formed by convex mirror, okay. In two cases, there are two cases, when the object is at infinity and when the object is at anywhere between pole and infinity, okay. So this is the diagram, okay. It is figure first and figure second, figure first and figure second, okay. Now you will practice to draw the ray diagram to form the image, okay, by convex mirror as well as concave mirror, okay. Practice makes the man perfect, so you have to practice it to draw the ray diagram, then you will learn properly, okay. You are not able to learn, then, okay, replay the video and see again and again, okay, for better understanding. Now let us know the use of convex mirror and concave mirror. Okay, firstly we know the use of concave mirror. अब concave mirror का use कहाँ होता है, इसका इस्तेमाल कहाँ किया जाता है, understanding? So let us know the application of concave mirror. तो application of concave mirror first है, it is used in the reflecting telescope. ये reflecting telescope में इसका यूज होता है दूरबीन बनाने में, okay, and it is also used, okay, by dentist, okay. ये डेंटिस्ट द डॉक्टर ऑफ टीथ, दांत का डॉक्टर इसे यूज करते हैं मैग्नीफाइड इमेज देखने के लिए, ओके, राइट. नाउ इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन द रिफ्लेक्टर इन टॉर्च, हेडलाइट, मोटर व्हीकल, ओके. मोटर व्हीकल के हेडलाइट में टॉर्च का जो आगे का पोर्शन होता है जो वाइड रेंज में, ओके, स्प्रेड करता है, यह रिफ्लेक्टर के रूप में यूज होता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग. थर्ड फोर्थ यूज, इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड, ओके, इन मेकअप एंड सेविंग मिरर. सेविंग मिरर के रूप में इसका भी यूज होता है, ओके, मैग्नीफाइड इमेज बनता है. एंड इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन सोलर कुकर, ओके, सोलर डिवाइस में इसका यूज होता है, ओके. So these are the main applications, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way और भी ways that you will read in book, get detailed knowledge. Now use of convex mirror, okay. Convex mirror का यूज कहाँ होता है? So it is used, okay, in reflector in a street lamp. Street lamp जो गली में आप लैंप देखते हैं, okay, उसमें रिफ्लेक्टर के रूप में इसका यूज होता है स्ट्रीट लाइट में, okay. And second, it is also used in the vehicle as a rear view mirror, okay. rear view mirror के रूप में होता है in the bike, vehicle, truck, bus, auto, etc. तो ये रियर व्यू मिरर के रूप में होता है. जस्ट इट इज लोकेटेड, ओके, बिसाइड द ड्राइवर. ड्राइवर के बगल में एक मिरर होता है, वो कॉन्वेक्स रहता है, ओके. उसमें आप देखे होंगे मोटरसाइकिल के मिरर में ये लिखा हुआ रहता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन द मिरर आर क्लोजर देन दे अपीयर, ओके. ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन द मिरर आर क्लोजर देन दे अपीयर. ये क्यों रहता है? पीछे का इमेज देखने के लिए, ओके, और इट फॉर्म्स अ स्मॉल साइज इमेज इन वाइडर रेंज, ओके. वाइडर रेंज में छोटा छोटा इमेज इसमें इसमें बन जाता है. ओके, सो इट इज इजियर टू conjugate the rear view mirror. Okay, the image from the any vehicle coming from back side, it is seen clearly in a small space. Okay, so it is used as a rear view mirror. Okay, now it is also used as a soft security mirror. किसी दुकान में ये लगा होता है सॉफ्ट सिक्योरिटी मिरर के रूप में, दुकान को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए उसमें इमेज बन जाता है और शॉपकीपर कहीं भी बैठा रहता है वो देख लेता है. ओके, इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्ट्रीट. ओके, इन हाईली एक्सीडेंटल एरिया, जहां ज्यादा एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है कॉर्नर पे लगा होता है इमेज मिरर. ओके, coming the vehicle coming from that side and we are not able to see the vehicle, then we see the image, okay, of the vehicle in the mirror. Okay, so it protect us from accident. Understanding? So at the corner of the street, okay, in highly accidental area में ये लगा होता है. So these are the main applications of convex mirror and concave mirror. Okay, now in the next class, okay, we shall read about the mirror formula and sign convention. Understanding? After sign convention, we know the mirror formula. Mirror formula हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. mirror formula क्या है? 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, ये फॉर्मूला हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. इसमें न्यूमेरिकल्स आपको बनाया जाएगा, न्यूमेरिकल सोल्व करने में हेल्प करेगा. और साइन कॉन्वेंशन. ओके, साइन कॉन्वेंशन. ओके, साइन कॉन्वेंशन पढ़ेंगे और मिरर फॉर्मूला इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, आई विल टीच यू साइन कॉन्वेंशन एंड मिरर फॉर्मूला. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.